Good job, Momo. Maddie. Maddie.
I did
What?
it.
You did it.
Okay.
What are you making?
Cake.
No. Can you say brownies?
Brownies. Brownies.
Who's your best friend?
Ready.
No.
Yeah.
No. Who's your best friend?
Ready.
No. Say Rosalind
Rosalind.
is your best friend. Who's your best friend?
Mama.
Mama. Ethan, stay away from there, please. You make the dog bark. I may have to move that to a different spot. Hang on.
You don't do anything because it costs money.
I'm getting down.
You getting down?